In section 10.1, we start getting to the exciting point of being able to predict the actual three-dimensional shape of molecules. And the main reason that we really care about this sort of thing is that shape plays an extremely important role in both reactivity, in terms of how molecules are going to react and how fast they will react, but it also plays a very critical role in terms of recognition on a biochemical or molecular scale. So one example that they give in this first section of chapter 10 is the difference between sugar and artificial sweeteners. Now, both of those trigger the nerve that sends the signal to our brain that we are tasting sugar, and both of these have a structure that is similar enough in enough ways that it fits very nicely into that receptor that causes us to say, something sweet, excellent. One of the interesting things, though, about artificial sweeteners is that they actually trigger that nerve receptor somewhere between 200 and 1,000,000 times more strongly than actual sugar does. So even if the molecules did provide some caloric intake in terms of energy, when you only have to use a millionth of what it is that you have to for sugar, you're really not providing a significant source of calories. Some interesting studies have gone out, and this is an area of current research and current debate, but some studies are kind of showing that when you use artificial sweeteners and you trigger the taste of sweetness, that your body is actually preparing to process that particular molecule when it gets to your stomach and into your digestive system, but when it doesn't find it, it actually causes some difficulties in terms of the signaling pathways and the fat storage and fat breakdown pathways. So basically just confuses your body when you trigger it to say that you're eating something sweet, but then nothing sugar related actually makes it into the digestive system. But again, that's an area of current debate and something that you can explore when you look at the similarities and differences between the molecular shapes of sugar and artificial sweeteners. Hopefully by the end of this chapter you'll have enough information to be able to predict those shapes and a lot more.